Hello, life graduates. Guys, bengimenyiwe. Ngithole isimemo ebesibalekile kakhulu from i-Global Business Women Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Yazi angizi namaningi ngithi nje ngifuna ukuthi life graduate nanoma yini oyenzayo empilweni yenzisise cause awazi ukuthi ubani obukayo. Bengimenywe on the professional side of my life, 9 to 5 wise, if I may put it that way. It had nothing to do with the podcast, but ngoba i-information into ebeyikhulunywa lapha irrelevant to you and I, and especially if you are a woman today, ibilonjwa i-Global Business Forum. It's not a forum. It's a Global Business Chamber of Commerce and Industry. It's inhlaka ngisho ngesiZulu. Inhlaka yosomabhizinisi eyeseka abantu besifazane ngokupheleleyo. Uma ngabe ngithi izobe yeseka abantu besifazane ngokupheleleyo, izobe ibeseka mentorship. If you're a business owner, no matter how big or small your business is, khumbula ukuthi each and every business oyibonayo ekhona emile today nesidayisa ama-franchise all over the world or all over South Africa, it started as somebody else's idea and it started incane. La bafuna ukukweseka, bakunikeza mentorship, bakunika ama-skills, bakusiza ukuthola funding, bakusiza to accessa international global markets and become of BRICS commerce as well. As you know, some of you will know ukuthi South Africa is part of BRICS, and China is ibhoza when it comes to ukuhambiswa kwezinto ne-commerce nayo yonke lonto. Ingakho uTrump esaba kangaka. So ngithi guys kunina, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, you already have a business, it has already started, you show ukuthi iqalile or ayaqali, I encourage you, go and register, get yourself a membership yalapha ngoba izokusiza kweziningi izinto lezi. And bekhona a lot of high profile people abathi mebekhuluma abangadecide, you know, those people who don't decide, the people who just take action. So those were the caliber of people who were amongst us tonight. So ngipostile ke, or I went live because I wanted ukuthi ezinye izinto kuba nzima ukuthi uyidlulise information as a third party. So I just recorded some of the speech, especially speech ska Minister of Small Business and Enterprises, because umnyango wakhe lo weseka lolu hlaka oluvule today obelilonjwa today, and le nto ixhaswa u-Standard Bank, ixhaswa amabhizinisi amakhulu, angazi ukuthi ngibalani, kodwa nje it's already into esisimamile efakwe imali. Kwa the fact that ukuthi some of the speakers abantu mina engibaziyo from an academic point of view who are kuthiwa yini, ama-pioneers in business and academic space, researching about small businesses, making a huge difference in so many different communities. Loko nje kukodwa kungenze ngabona ukuthi yabona la umuntu ozorejista la abe yimember akalahli. Angazi ukuthi i-membership imalini, but i-membership yabo is available online. Kule video le ngizolinka ilokhunjana i-address yewebsite yabo so that uzokwazi ukuthi ungene uzibhekele urejiste, kodwa ungalenzi iphutha. Angifuni ukuthi usale ezintweni. Yabona akekho umuntu ozobuka lesi channel ozoba yi-life graduate yala ekhaya athi uxakekile akakwazi ukwenza imali, athi uxakekile yena unama-business ideas, doesn't have access to funding, doesn't know where to ayazi akekho. Sisazokhuluma futhi nangemali. Stay tuned nje wena la kule channel, iningi into esisazokhuluma ngayo. Ngeke sigcine ngokuqwashisana ngezinto ezenzeka empilweni kuphela ngomjolo nani ama-scams but sizohamba sifike to a point whereby sicathulise abantu abanye nabangasebenzi nabafuna abanama-ideas abafuna ukuqala izinto kodwa umuntu ustakile akazi ufanele aqale kephi. Ngifuna uku-create this kind of a community that uplifts each other. So if you are an aspiring businesswoman, this opportunity is for women only, guys, for now. because it caters for women's who are in business at this point in time. So make sure ukuthi if you're a woman, you've got business ideas, you already have a business, you are thriving in whatever you are doing, you are selling product, you are making products that you are selling, especially those who are innovative enough to have created their own things. Uyathunga, upheka into zobuso, zilethe bafuna ukuzibona. Leya turmeric ntontoni yakho oyixova uyikhande ibe yinsipho, usidayisele yona on social media. NaseChina bayafuna ukuyithenga, naseJamaica bayafuna ukuyithenga. So bazoyithola kanjani wena mangabe uhleli lapho uyidayisa lapho kulowo mkhukhu wakho kuphela singakwazi wena ukuthi enye nenye itholakala enye nenye iminyango uzongena kanjani kuyona? Let's make a date because we are going to talk about businesses later on. We are going to talk about ukukhipha abantu endlaleni. I've already been posting about u-AVBOB no-Cell C i-support abalinikeza yona abaqala ukulinikeza yona since COVID. Abantu bephelelwa imisebenzi ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza imali nge-cellphone yakho. That thing is legit, guys. Mina I've registered, I've started and sengiyahola kuyona. Sengiyahola already kuyona, it works. I am testing ezinye izinto ongakwazi ukuzenza online, ukwazi ukwenza imali ngedatha. Instead of uthi uyobuka abantu lapha belwa ko-TikTok, ubuke omama be-country bekhala, behayiza, behayizela amadoda. Awuthathe idatha lakho ulifake endaweni e-right whereby lizofike li-multiply, ubuye uzosicobelela nathi la ngolwazi. Ngelinye ilanga ngithola i-voice note yakho ethi Sisandile awutshela ama-life graduate there is this opportunity. Ngilitholile mina lingisebenzele, angifuni ukushiya abanye ngaphandle. Ake sibe ilo community nje ebhekelelanayo, online community that takes care of each other, e-uplift-anayo, edonsa omunye nomunye, idonse nomunye, okhalayo simfundise ukuthi abe strong, athule, uthula kanjani, bese uyakwazi uqhubeke nempilo, uzabalaza kanjani, utabalase ubambe, uhlanganise uphume. Uyabona? Asinyakazeni guys, ngifuna kube nomnyakazo. Ngifuna kube nomnyakazo, sisizane, si-uplift-ane. Iningi into esingayenza uma sibambene, sabantu besifazane, uma sibambene, sabantu nje base-South Africa. Siyekele ukusoloko sakhala ngamazayizayi ukuthi, awu sihlushwa amazayizayi, awu enza ukuthi, thina senzani? Thina sisizana ngani? Siphakamisana ngani? Thina lezi zingane esilokhu sikhala ngokuthi zithanda izinto ziphelela kumazayizayi, zimoshakalelwe yimpilo, sizi-empower-isha kanjani ukuthi zigcine zibonile ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi ube nento yakho, uzenzele into yakho, uyeke ulogijimisa izinto zabantu ongazazi bazithola kanjani. Ekugcineni kosuku kuzofanele ubhatele with your own life, ngoba phela sewuyidlile wayiququda le mali, but ekugcineni kosuku umuntu lowaya u-expect ukuthi wena ubhatale and ukukhokha-ke usuhlala uzokhokha. Let us open the platforms, talk about how to make money online, talk about how to make money usekhaya, because it is proven in South Africa unemployment rate right now ngigcine iku-39.9%. I don't know, cause angisayibuki, iyangistressa mangiyibuka because kuney'ngane esiziqeqesha esizifundisa everyday on the institutions of higher learning, is-graduate izingane bazali balilizele bajabule, ekugcineni kosuku ingane ibhuquze ne-degree, ize iyinyanye i-degree. How do you turn that degree of yours into money that is coming back into your pocket and into generational wealth? How do you turn the skills that you have, owazalwa nawo, amathalente akho owazalwa nawo, that you can use in social media, that you can use anywhere? How do you turn all of that into profit? Let us learn, guys, asifunde ukuzenzela izinto ezizosibhenefitha thina, ezizosikhipha endlaleni. Yabona, sike kucacile ukuthi uhulumeni usidayisile, usilahlile, we are on our own. Kufanele uzibonele ukuthi uphuma kanjani enkingeni. Amathuba afana nalawa mayevela, uwanqake ngezandla zombili. Uwanqake ngazukuthi unqaka igolide kufanele liye phesheya liyophekwa, lidayiswe ema-American uphenduke ube nesizumbulu. Ngani? Ngoba awazi ukuthi ithuba uzolinqaka namhlanje, kusasa lizophenduka libe imayini yani kuwena. Kwabanye liyophenduka libe imayini yamalahle. kwabanye liyophenduka libe imani yegolide, kwabanye liyophenduka libe umnotho wesizukulwane ngesizukulwane. Qale nje kancane. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Yeah? Love and peace.